All right, coach, sit in for us, please.
Coach Andrew Henry.
All right, coach. Lifting the title tonight, the Champions Cup title. First of all, how are you feeling about that?
Feel damn good, being preparing the boys and for this one. So we're going back to school now at the training session to fix another one coming Saturday.
Brilliant work you have done so far with the goalkeeper. He's actually doing a lot of work. Tremendous performance, time and time again. How are you feeling so far about his performance?
I feel damn good, I just believe in youngsters, I can't keep anymore. So I just choose to help the youngsters. Yeah.
So what's the motivation behind the work that you have been putting in with these goalkeepers?
Well, we just talk to them, sometimes in the days when the team resting, I just draw them to the football field, push them to work. This last year, Antoine, the goalkeeper, last year, this year, so he's going to give me the title.
So what's the significance of this being this last year and lifting that Champions Cup title?
He need it, He need it. He talk about it. Even last night we have a meeting, both of us, 3 goalkeepers, and say, listen, Antoine sees this next year, we'll build and come.
As you, what does this title mean for you as a personal goalkeeper coach? As a goalkeeper coach, what does this title mean for you?
It means a lot, Because you have a goalkeeper coach out there criticize me, talking about my left arm. Say no goalkeeper coach can have one and whatever, you get me? But I know what I can do. And I believe in myself. So I put in the hard work.
All right, definitely. Well done and congratulations, yeah? Soon for the final, Cup final, yeah?
Thanks again.
Big up.
Thanks again.